Hi everyone. For the purpose of this workshop, I chose to focus on the article entitled Language Use Contributes to Expressive Language Growth, Evidence from Bilingual Children. And I specifically focused on the literature portion of this article, which was on page 2. I found this paragraph that I thought did a really good job of implementing the MEAL plan. The first section, the one that's in yellow, you'll notice it says other findings also suggest that children's output contributes indirectly to their language growth via the input it elicits. This sentence right here, though it doesn't necessarily state something specifically from literature, so it doesn't require a reference. It was, I think, a sound main idea which led into the evidence and explanation. I didn't see a lot of analysis per se, however I did see explanation and evidence. And you'll notice that it starts giving examples such as some of the types of adult utterances that support child language growth are utterances that respond to or pick up on prior child utterances in some way. And you'll notice the author has a citation, and then afterwards the author continues with the same citation. Well, actually not with the same citation, a different citation, but on the same trend, or rather on the same thread. They state child productions are also necessary for the indirect feedback that Clark 2014 has suggested supports language growth. So though this author didn't necessarily use more than one citation at the same time simultaneously to provide evidence, they did, however, provide that more than one citation to sort of link their thesis or their main idea in the last paragraph, and the last section of the paragraph, which was the link. And they used the transition finally, and they stated, finally, there are findings that talkative children have better language skills than reticent children. And they referenced, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, two specific references or two specific researchers. And then they also implemented or used the word which I believe really helps to link together between the paragraph's thesis, or between the paragraph's main idea and their explanation or their evidences in the middle of the paragraph. So that is my, not necessarily a mantra, but I'm going to use this as a guide. Specifically, I'm really going to focus on the resources that you provided for us, Dr. Guthrie, from the KSU Writing Center and also from the Thompson Writing Program. I thought those were excellent pieces of information on how to really write succinct paragraphs so that they're coherent but doesn't bore the person and it's not repetitive. So thank you so much for those resources, and I definitely plan on using them within my own writing moving forward. Thank you.